the game. It's a rich thing.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install a smoke detector. And guys, if you're new here, please remember to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment down below. So here we have the old smoke detector, the one that will be taken down to replace. So here's the first step. Twist off, and you can see the wire connections. And here you can see the electrical connection. So what I'll be doing, I'll be removing this sealing plate. So you have two screws here, one here, and you have another one here. I'll be using a screwdriver to remove it and reinstall the new one. Now is loosening the screws that holds the ceiling plate intact. So now the screws are loose. What I'll be doing is twisting the plate. And here you go, it's off. So now we have the new wall plate, and what we'll be doing is inserting it up there, and the two screws will hold it in place. So guys, I've put on the new plate, and what I'm doing now is tightening the screws to hold the plate in place. There we have it. So now I will be doing a test. So I will hold down this button. So we know it's working properly. So what we'll do next is install it to the wire connections. What I'll be doing, I'll be connecting the wire connection right here to these three prongs. So bear with me, it's a bit technical right here. So now it's clicked into place. I've connected the wires. What I will do is twist it back in place. And it's twisted into place. And I will do another test. So here we have the finished product. We have installed it and tested it. And now we have that green light on to show that it's working properly. So thank you for watching guys, and please to hit that subscribe button, comment, like, and share. If you're interested in this smoke detector, the link will be in the description. So guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.